everybody, welcome back to another video to the BA7 Boss. Yes, I'm probably gonna change it to the farming. It said BA7 Boss. So yeah. So hang on, let me get this bottom thing. I got this part right here opened. I need to show you guys something. This calf was a hungry little girl while. Ooh, we'll save a worm. Every life's worth something. Okay, worm, you are saved. He's exhausted. Move. Okay. Oh crap! I didn't know I got these up that tight. I'm a bad cameraman. Oh, there it is. I don't even want to go. Oh. Crap, we got jammed. It's so cold and wet. Ah, the water's cold and it's super wet. Ah, Sandy, you're out. You better be happy because I just got real wet. It's in there. Okay. Don't eat that. She was warm and not cold, but get in. Can't wait till you guys hear on the other side. Sandy! Sandy! I threw a door. Not door, through a wall. I'm in here. But, okay. See this right here? This baby calf ate a whole tree. Like, not a whole tree, but a whole big old branch that was the size of this. And she ate it. There's tiny bits of leaves on there. I'm gonna let her eat them. Watch. Are you gonna eat them? No? Okay. You want me to turn off the flashlight? Okay, I will. Bye. Okay. So, this is my girl Sandy. Adorable, and I love to give her hugs. And then I like to wrestle with her. There's her. Are you excited? There's the phone case. Ooh, crap. Ooh, crap. Ooh, crap in your butt. Yeah. I might have to stay down here a little while. I want to get her hay, but it's too wet right now. Might have to give her some Sandy. It's wet out there. Look. I bet you guys are getting rained on. Look at her. Watch this. She hates when I do this. But she also loves it. Sandy, it's wet out there. I'll shove you out there then. Look, this cat's so strong. But Sandy, you get wet. Hang on, I have to go pee. I'll be right back. And we're back. I had to go pee. Sorry. But you can't really see the rain. I don't know if you guys can hear it right now. But there is this game that was released like 2 years ago, but I'm obsessed with it. It's called Pubg Mobile. But it's where you it's a war game and you can get in each other's lobbies and you can battle with each other. My friend Landon has one. Sandy, come here. If you don't like it, get in here right now, Missy. Come on. Come on. Sandy. Sandy, look, she's putting her head right there because the rain. Girl, do you want to come in? Come on. Come on. Ma! Come on. Who is that? Is there a lot of cats out here? I don't know. Sandy, come on. Sandy, get over here right now, Missy. You're going to get soaking and you're going to get cold. Well, fine then. You can stay out there and get cold. And I need to go put this up, so let's go do that. Ah, look what I just did. Slippery. Oh, what's this? Junk! Oh, oops, Sandy. Sorry. Didn't mean to scare you. I don't want to get right here because it gets so wet. But I have to. Ah! It's hitting me. It's so wet. I hate it. It's hitting my back and it's freezing. Woo. Oh, crap. Oh, that sucks. Okay, Sandy. I'm going to leave in a minute, okay? I'm just coming down here to do a video for my little sister and all that. And the camera got wet. Wow, that's good. Now you're back in here, Missy. You deserve a butt whooping. There's a butt whooping. But I still love you. Mwah. I like to give her kisses. I can't wait till you have your own babies when you get older. Yeah, you don't know that right now, but your dad, the father of your babies, most likely will be giant. But you guys, yeah, I'm probably gonna head up back to the house right now and record the whole thing. Maybe, I don't know. I might. But I might end the video here, I don't know. What do you guys think? Sandy, you think I should end the video with you? Yeah, I think I should. Well, you guys, yeah, get down, crouched. Get crouched down. Hopefully this is a good angle. Let me see if it is. It's down low with her. Oh crap, got my hands dirty. Okay, Sandy, I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. So, and 3, 2, 1, see you tomorrow. Won't click. 3, 2, 1, see you tomorrow. Ah, crap, my hands are too wet. 3, 2, 1, see you tomorrow. It won't work. See you tomorrow. Ah, the camera won't go off. See you tomorrow. Bye. Why won't it work? Something wrong with my camera. Oh, anyway, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.